welcome along to the channel. Here we are spreading some Digestate and sowing the oilseed rape. The local contractor Charlie Herridge is supplying and applying the Digestate at 20 cubic metres per hectare. After the Digestate has been spread, we're keen to get it incorporated and drilled as soon as possible to keep the moisture in the ground and to save as many nutrients as we can. The Digestate is full of potash and has a good dose of nitrogen. So the subsoil is doing two jobs. It's lifting any compaction out, because oilseed rape doesn't like compaction, it likes to get its roots down in easy soil, and it's also incorporating all the Digestate. We're sowing two varieties, the first one being Murray and the second being Carrot. These are good, high yielding, high output hybrid varieties. We're also companion cropping with buckwheat and berseem clover. This is to help deter the flea beetle. Finally, we roll it to get good seed to soil contact and then hope for some rain. I hope this video has been useful. Please comment, like, share and subscribe if you want to see more of these type of videos.